Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to DM someone on Yubo. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Yubo application. Make sure you're logging to your Yubo account. Then tap on the chat icon at the bottom of your screen. Now select the person that you would like to send message. At the bottom of your screen, you can find the message box. Tap on it and then write a message. If you are done, tap on the send button. And this is how you can DM someone on Yubo. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.